What is the effect of stress on the functioning and the shape of the cell? Whenever an emotion gets trapped in our subconscious mind, a stressful state is created in the body, and the body goes into what's called the fight or fright response. Stress is a convenient way of announcing the lodgement of trapped emotions in one's subconscious mind. There are various changes occurring at different levels when the cell goes into a state of stress. There are imbalances in hormones and neurotransmitters. There is an increased secretion of hormones like adrenaline, noradrenaline, and cortisol. Whenever a cell goes into a stressful state, there is a deficiency of neurotransmitters or mood elevators like serotonin, leading to depression, gamma aminobutyric acid or GABA, leading to restlessness and addiction to alcohol and drugs. Deficiency of dopamine leads to lower state of emotions and addictions. Deficiency of melatonin leads to disturbed sleep patterns and addictions. Deficiency of interleukin-1 delays wound healing. Deficiency of neuropeptide Y leads to further stress. A stressful state at the cellular level further slows down the ability of the body to repair wounds. Stress creates free radicals that kill brain cells. Stress creates a vicious cycle of fear and anxiety. Stress halts the production of new brain cells. Stress decreases nutrient absorption. Stress increases salt retention and makes you bloated. Stress also affects your cholesterol and impacts your immune system, endocrine system, and the nervous system. In fight or flight response, large parts of our brain actually shut down when we need it the most. Critical sections of our brain literally go on strike. So, if you are dealing with stress each day, your brain is not functioning at the level that it could be. You therefore are left with a decision making by only 10% functioning brain. The results are obvious. You take wrong decisions in life and get wrong results too. The emotional turmoil begins to set in at the cellular level. The effect of stress on cellular shape. With continued stress levels maintained for long, the normal cells start losing their shape. Imagine two spherical balloons being forced against each other. What happens to the shape of each balloon? Ever tried thinking this in terms of your health with no stress removed? Externally, it is evident by the two balloons losing their shapes, and internally it signifies more pressure building within. The cells start assuming an elliptical or oval shape, and this is due to the fact that normal transport mechanism of minerals and nutrients has ceased across the cell membrane pores. This is because the pores in the cell membrane that are permeable to small ions now become impermeable as they too lose their normal shape and become elliptical under pressure. This leads to the whole process of metabolism, transport, and cell division to a halt. For a cell to survive, iron concentrations need to be same on both sides of the cell membrane. If the cell does not pump out all its extra ions to even out the concentrations, the water is going to move in. This can be very bad. The cell can swell up and explode. The cells start showing water retention now, which is evident in your body by this time. The cell is the seat of release of certain neurotransmitters which maintain our health and each normal neuronal functioning. There is a deficiency of these neurotransmitters now. It is an alarming situation. With your brain shut down and lack of neurotransmitters, mood elevators, etc., negative emotions now start pouring in. You're now entering the first stage of the disease, inception of a negative emotion within the recesses and depths of the subconscious mind.